you're also a beginner, you should set up your seller M first. So it looks like this after you install the Chrome extension. And then from here, you click on the setting right here. You go to the bottom. Oh, where is it? Did I miss it? Oh yeah, right here. And then on the additional cost, I would put $2.20 under prep fee, because we're paying about $1.20 for our prep center, and about $1 per unit to ship products from the prep center to Amazon, right? And then your miscellaneous fee would cover taxes. So I put 10% to keep it generic. And from here, you click on save. And then you refresh the page. And then now we can look at the products, right? And plug in the numbers. So this one is, what is this? So it's like a cream, skin cream. So I usually check if the products match. So it looks like it's the same. It's thick, moisture barrier paste. Paste for minor, severe skin irritation content. Okay. Looks like the same. Coloplast. Yeah, so this one's the same product. Same product, but different branding, I guess. And this one is a pack of 3.
I was gonna ask you that because that happened today. Like one package was in a bottle and one was in a box. Does that, I just didn't do it because what if someone doesn't want a box, even if it's the same product?
Sometimes the packaging and the branding is different. But if the content is the same, then I think it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, just it's just up to you if you want to risk on it. Like, to me, depending on the profit too, I kind of calculate my risk. But it has to be the same product though, no matter what. The packaging and branding can be like a little different, like this one. So yeah. Yeah, so this one is about $7 or $6.95 per piece. This one is a 3-pack. So it's about, I want to say like $21. So $21, right? Is that right? So, yeah. So $21 is my cost, right? And the selling price on Amazon is about $41.24. Yeah. So this one gives us a 20% ROI, $4 profit, and then about 119 sales a month, right? And from here, I look at the other sellers. So this one is pretty good, I would say. There's 3 other FBA sellers with very decent inventory. Yeah. So 119 sales. Yeah.
The one question I did have about that I haven't made clear yet. So when you have so many FBA sellers, and I know you count all their inventory together,
Right.
to see if it makes sense. Do they rotate it like one by one, or do they? And how do they rotate it?
Right. So it's usually like rotated like fairly. So like 111, 111.
Okay, that's what I thought, but I
Yeah.
wasn't sure. Okay.
Yeah. Ideally, yes. That's how no one really knows how it rotates, but it's pretty fair as long as your price close to the buy price. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So this one looks like a good product. And then I look at Keepa. So this one has been stable as far as price. You guys see it? The pink line? For the past 3 months. Pretty stable. And then sometimes I go wider and go for the year. I mean, this one's very stable as far as price. So this one is good. You guys agree?
They do.
What's the verdict? Agreed?
I agree.
All right. I agree too. So good product. All right. Next. All right. So again, I would check the products if they match. So I usually look at the photos, I look at the title. Let's see, Sam Garvin. Oh, oh, what happened there? Sam Garvin, UB1 red steel. Universal breaker lockout device. Device red powder coated. Okay. Okay. Same title. Photos are about the same, I think. Yeah, same photos. If you want to go deeper, you can look at the size too. You guys can read more here or down here if you want. But it seems like it's the same product. So now I would plug in the number, right? So this product is $5.93 right there. Selling price is about $16. Yeah, $16. So it gives us a 36% ROI, $2 profit, and 40 sales a month, which is kind of low. Yeah, this one only has 40 sales a month, and it seems like there's a lot of people in here, right? Do you guys agree?
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, I feel like there's a lot of people here. I mean, these three are fairly priced.
Saw a lot of product though.
Yeah, this one is 100, this one is 43, this one is 1. So, I mean, unless you're willing to sit on it, you can.
I don't think it's enough profit though.
Yeah, I agree. So this one has a 36% ROI, which is on the higher side, right? But as far as profit, this one only gives us like $2. So this one is a personal choice. This one looks like you're gonna have to sit on it. So if you're willing to like sit on it and wait to make $2, you know, per sale, you can. So what's up, Leslie?
Hi, I just wanted to ask you again. So I know your rule is like you like 30% is what you tell yourself. But like so whenever I do this, I look and I'm like $2. So two times I'm always like, I'll make $20, right? Is that
Yeah.
it? Is that really all we're gonna make is $20?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm
Yeah.
like, I wouldn't do it because it's I don't know. But
Right.
30% thing, but I'm just like, why are you stuck with a 30? Why do you like that? I know you said if you have like 1,000 products,
Right.
30
It's because
or
with a percentage, I can track I can scale it using my spend, right? So if I'm going for 30% ROI, right? If I buy $10,000 worth of products in 1 month, I can predict that I'm gonna make at least 3,000 in profit.
oh, I see.
It's just
Okay.
easier to track it when I'm buying products versus like, oh, I'm gonna make $2 here, $1 here, $5 here. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
I'm scaling my business with my spend using ROI
Yeah,
instead
that
of
seems
dollar amount.
it's weird. I don't know if I'm because I did the thing in my I went through all like the cells, like you said, and it said I spent like $3,000 and I'm gonna make only like $393.
I
I
mean,
don't know what I was like, this can't be, I don't know. So we'll see what happens, but I'm gonna start looking
yeah.
at that. The
No,
ROI.
at the same time, I know what you're talking about because Well, you're looking at a larger scale. So you're looking at, you know, because there's more money to be spent, but when you're looking at, well, I'm only gonna make $20 on these 10 items, it doesn't make sense.
Well,
Right.
to me,
In the beginning,
I
no, I
feel
agree
like,
with you.
Yeah.
for me, I feel like $20 to make for all the like the BS, like, is the order gonna go through, check the warehouse, listed in all three places, like, is it work, I
Right.
mean.
Right.
Well, here's what you can do, right? So let's say you want to make $5, right? So I'm gonna
Yeah.
adjust the sale price. Let's say 20, 21 or 20. Yeah. So let's say you want to make $5, right? Per sale. So I would set your price to like $20 and just let your product sit there and you just wait. The thing with me is that I don't want to wait, so I'm willing to like lower my price. That way my products and my money is just always revolving. Does that make sense?
Yeah,
Yeah, because if you look here, right? If you put $20, now you're gonna be on the ninth row or ninth spot, right? So now you gotta wait longer for you to make the sale. Does that make sense?
yes.
But as you lower your price, I mean, let's say I'm here and I want to lower my price to like $14, right? Take less. I'll get my 10 units like out of sold like right away. Does that make sense? So yes, I'm making less, but my money's like revolving quicker, so yeah. That's a personal choice though. So it's really up to you guys how you guys want to run your business. So that's just me.
Well, you're smart, so I wanna learn how you do it, because, you know, you're successful at it, so I wanna do it the right way.
I mean, you can sit on it too. Like there's people who sell books. They buy it from like the thrift store for like $2. They sell it for like 50 or like whatever. But they wait like months though to make that sale. So I mean that works too. Right? It's a different strategy. And then there's wholesalers that I know who are okay with making 50 cents per sale, but they're going for volume and speed.
Hmm. Okay,
Yeah. So it's really up to you like how you want to look at it. So does that help?
yeah.
Okay. So with this one, what's the verdict? Are you buying this or no?
No.
No, right? Because
Nope.
it's 40 sales a month.
Right.
I mean, the top three alone has like 144 pieces of or units of product, right? So yeah, this is a no